तुम आए तो आया मुझे याद, गली में आज चांद निकला, जाने कितने दिनों के बाद गली में आज चांद निकला.
Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. How's your Eid preparation going? Not too long left. Today is Chand Raat in London, so come get ready with me for Chand Raat. First, I will prep my face with Kale's serum and also use Body Shop's moisturizer Drop of Light. Then I will use Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'll be using this now, as you can use this to prep your skin too. Next, I will use a concealer to conceal my eyelids and dark circles. This helps to achieve more pigments on eye looks. Today I will be using one of my first palettes of my palette collections, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Using the shade Sandalwood and Duma, I will start from the outer crease, building it slowly to the inner crease, creating a transition color. Then I will use the shade Henna and slowly build up the color by defining my crease more. Now I will use the shade Cocoa on my outer corner towards halfway of my crease, making it look like a semi-smoky eye. You can follow this process on any smoky eye looks. And using the shade #Blessed and Moondust, I will create a half cut crease. I will be using my hand. As you can see, I haven't been using concealer to make the cut. So applying shimmery eyeshadows by hand helps give me more pigments. Moving on to the base makeup, I'll be using Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Foundation today. So I am gently applying it on my face, and also don't forget your neck. I will go back with the concealer and highlight areas I need to highlight, then use a brush to blend everything together. I am fixing up my eyebrows a little and then using a thin and wide brush, I will draw and also fill my eyebrows and then use concealer to conceal any mistakes. Now I will use the Kiko powder to set my makeup and also bake a little. Then I will use the Too Faced chocolate shade bronzer. As you know, it's one of my favorite. I will be contouring my whole face with it. Then I will use an e.l.f. eyeliner. This eyeliner brush is so thin and easy to work with. Then I will quickly go and apply some eyelashes. I don't know the name of the brand, but I got it from Superdrug. I will be applying MAC's Devoted to Chili shade lipstick today as my eye look is quite neutral. Lastly, I will use the Baby in Paradise palette and use this shade to highlight and finish off with some setting spray. I like to stay simple yet look a little dressy on Chand Raat.
जाने कितने दिनों के बाद गली में चांद निकला, जाने कितने दिनों के बाद, जाने कितने दिनों के बाद गली में चांद निकला, गली में चांद निकला, गली में चांद निकला, तुम आए।
So I am all ready to go out for Chand Raat. Hope you enjoyed the simple and easy makeup tutorial which goes with any Asian wear. Till next time, bye!